If you're new to our channel, we have 4 kids. Today is the youngest birthday. He turned 1 today. Today we're making cake. He's sleeping right now, that's why we're gonna make it when he's sleeping. And he gets his own cake. And you're making a lot of cupcakes too for you. Don't waste enough. And
we're gonna mix up these cake mixes, and I want you to help me follow the directions. So flip your box over so you can see the instructions. Yours is already the right way. And at the very top, they use pictures to help kids be able to read the instructions. So at the top, what do you think that first picture means?
It means nothing, Mom. Milk.
Oh, that's a very good guess, because it looks like a cup of milk. And water's a great guess, because it looks like a cup of water. Looking at the box, what it says next to it. What number does it say?
Cup.
No, what number, I asked?
1.
1, and then go ahead and read that word.
Cup.
1 cup, and then read the word under it. We're going to let your brothers start it. What's that word start with? What letter?
1.
What's that letter?
W.
W, like you're learning about. Let's try to sound that word out. Wa. Ah. Will be a. Wa. At. Water. 1 cup water? What?
Water.
Water. High five. Good figuring it out. All right. So you were right. Your guess for water was right. So we need 1 cup water. That's easy. That's just from our sink. Look at the next ingredient.
Potatoes.
Potatoes? You think there's potatoes in this?
Eggs.
Those do kind of look like potatoes. Eggs. And it doesn't just say any amount of eggs. It says a number, and they show you in the picture. 3. It says 3 large eggs. All right.
Well, we only have 1 large egg.
Well, our eggs are pretty much all large. We're all right. All right. What is this last ingredient, do you think?
Milk.
Ooh, milk is a great guess, because we already did water. I already took the ingredient out. There's your hint. Look around. What is that called? What is that called? Vegetable oil. All right, so or oil. So this one says 1, and then see that line, buddy? Look down here. See that line? That is a dash. It says 1/3 cup. So instead of 1 cup, it's only like 1/3 of the cup. It's like if you broke the cup in 3, it'd be 1 of those of vegetable oil. So that's what we need. Do we have all our ingredients? Are you ready to bake some cakes? All right, push your sleeves up. All right. So we are baking a cake because it is their brother's first birthday coming up today. So we better get this made so we can have cake for dessert tonight. So let's start with the eggs. And I'm going to help you a little bit.
No,
because
we're doing water first.
We're going to actually start with eggs. And the reason we're going to start with eggs is because what do we worry most about with eggs?
Eggshells.
Eggshells. We don't want to get eggshells in there. So I like to always start with eggs, and I like to always crack them in a separate container. Why?
Don't get eggshells.
So they don't get eggshells in them. If we accidentally get an eggshell in here and we can't get it out, we can always throw it away, right? Give it to the chickens. If we get it in the big bowl and it's already got our chocolate cake mix and all our stuff in there, then what? We're in trouble. We're going to be eating eggshells. All right, so you're going to crack your own egg today. Dump the first one in the bowl. And how many do you have so far?
1.
1.
Why? Why do we eat it?
All over your hand. Okay.
Ugh.
See if we can open it.
I hope there's not. Oh. Now,
Let's double check. Looks good. You can dump it in the bowl.
oh my, that's all the cracking.
Gotta open it. Next was the 1 cup of water. So dump that in.
And we'll get the rest of the egg out.
Yep, you're right. It'll clean out the rest of the egg. Well, most of it. Dump your water in.
A lot of water.
I forgot to tell you, boys, I turned on the oven before we started, so it'll be nice and hot and ready to put these in, okay? The next ingredient is 1/3 cup vegetable oils.
Right?
Yep, because 1 and 1 is what? What's 1 and 1? 2. So 1/3 and 1/3 is 2/3. So you dump in half and your brother can dump in half. Next, we need our cake mix. So can you go ahead and open the box? Open it from the top.
I can.
Good.
Can I open mine?
Not yet. So usually, if you were baking a cake from scratch, you would need all the ingredients.
Whoa.
But with the cake mix, they have it all in there, all the dry stuff. So what kind of stuff do you think is in the cake mix?
Cake mix.
What is in it? Would you make a cake? What kind of ingredients would you need? What do you think's in there?
Butter.
Butter, we put oil in here instead of butter. What kind of dry ingredients? When we're baking, what do we use a lot of?
Soda.
Oh, maybe there's baking soda in it? Yep. What else?
And
To help it rise?
eggs.
No eggs because we put them in here. What color is it?
It was
What color is it? Brown.
black.
Brown. What color do you think? Why do you think it turned brown?
Oh, because they had the brown sugar.
Oh, maybe they used brown sugar. I think they turned it brown because that's cocoa. Cocoa is what makes it chocolate. So if you were making this from scratch, you would need cocoa. You would need probably flour. Doesn't splash. Good. And then that can go straight in the garbage with this piece. Okay. All in there. Oops. I'm not to spill it on the floor. Oh, a little bit more in there. Okay. Go throw that away. 1. Mix it on low.
But this is going to take a really long time.
I don't think it'll take as long as you think.
See, it's getting chocolate. Oh, yeah. That's how it looks.
What were you saying about? There's some on the left.
There's some on the sides that doesn't get any eggs. That is stuff.
You're right. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to use a spatula at some point. We'll have to put it on the sides.
See right
Wash
there.
this off with soapy water, boys, so that I kill any germs. Soap will actually get rid of the germs. Can I have your hand? Soap will actually get rid of the germs in some hot water so that we don't have any raw egg germs. Okay.
But you gotta make sure you get it
What's the
everywhere.
most important cake we make today? He is greasing the pan for the little baby cake. Baby's getting his own cake today, isn't he?
Done.
All right. That one's greased. I'll get you the big pan. Go ahead and grease it. The bottom, the sides, make sure you do the corners because we all want to eat cake. Making sure there's one in each one. So we have to read what temperature to have the oven. We did that part. We're greasing the pans. We're mixing the cake mix.
Done.
Then we're going to bake. It says the little cake should take about 26 minutes. The cupcakes will be fast. They'll be like 18 minutes. And then the big cake will be about 26, and so will the little cake. So we'll leave this out just so we don't forget the times because we don't want to burn the cupcakes. So why do you think the cupcakes say they'll be done first? Can I have your butter? Because they're littler. Very good.
And now you're gonna put the frosting on.
middle?
Yeah.
Very gentle, it'll fall. Put it right in the middle. Whoop, just a little bit. You can't push too hard. There you go. Ooh, that's pretty good. That cake looks delicious. Look at that cake.
Putting the sprinkles on.
The cupcakes are all decorated, as is the counter. Don't worry, you're cleaning up, right?
That's good. Thanks for baking with us today. Like, share, and subscribe. Do you have any questions for me? Leave a comment below.